Hello, Fellow-litas! Today we're trying something new because I can't wear makeup and don't want to show my face to the world. I was trying to figure out what I could possibly do that would be interesting and Lolita content with just my hands. I'd like to play a brand new game that I'd like to call Will It Fit? In an Angelic Pretty Pochette. Let's meet our contestants! First we have this beautiful, brand new Lyrical bunny. I just got her off the AP website and I never thought I'd spend this much money on a tiny rabbit, but you know, adulthood means I get to make my own bad decisions. And I've named her after the BART station in San Francisco, where you get off to go to Angelic Pretty. But look at her, she's so small. It's like brands can't even recognize fat bunnies. They have to have skinny bunnies. She does not seem to have a lot of space back there. Oh. Oh, is this gonna get me demonetized? Oh no. Well, we'll see what we can fit inside of her. Let's meet our next contestant. Also from the recent Angelic Pretty release, we have this adorable bear who I've named Kearney. Kearney is also named after the Angelic Pretty San Francisco store. Kearney is the actual street that Harajuku Hearts is on. Kearney is absolutely gorgeous, super duper cute, was very expensive, and to justify my purchase of these two beauties, I decided I really am gonna have to make some content with them. Kearney, similarly, is slightly plushier, but still just teeny tiny. Oh, good, that's a lot less vulvic. Anyway, we're gonna find out how much stuff these will fit. And let me tell you, it is not going to be much. Alright, we've got our two, purses here. Well, when I go to meetups, I always bring a snack. Here is a candy that I'm currently addicted to. Will the bunny fit it? It fits! And the bear, oh, it could probably fit a couple candies in there. That's awesome. Next up, let's try a very thin, nearly depleted makeup remover packet. I like to take off my makeup on the ride home usually. Oh, but even folded up, it will not fit in this bunny. And for the bear, I guess it kind of fits. How about my pimple patches? I take these with me everywhere so that I don't pick at my face. Not even a chance. And in the bear? Alright, I guess I could take pimple patches with me in this bear, but will it zip? Oh, nope, never mind. Pimple patches are a no-go. How about my contraband? I live in California, so this is legal. Kids don't do drugs, at least until you're 18 and live in a state where you can buy them. Alright, looks like this Lyrical bunny will not even fit my contraband. Dang. And you, Barry? Oh, oh, ah, oh yeah. The bear will hide the contraband. That is very good to know. Here we have my wallet. It's a Hamtaro wallet that I've had since I was a kid. Well, I don't think I should even try this, but okay. How about a credit card? I'm gonna use my Costco membership because it doesn't have any of my information on it for you guys to peek. Well, sadly, it looks like the bunny cannot even fit a single credit card. The bear could maybe fit. Well, it's a tight squeeze, but it does zip. So you could fit a single credit card at least. Or, more likely, an ID, because meetups in person always ask you to bring cash, and if you're ever at a bar or a place that serves alcohol and you want to partake at the party or the meetup, then you're gonna need your ID. But I am not showing that to YouTube. No, 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 no. Alright, how about cold hard cash? Cash, I would hope, would fit in these. And I think if I just kind of smush it enough. Yes, Lyrical bunny may not take credit card, but she does take cash. Might actually be better protection than a purse, because a purse can get snatched, but who's gonna want to snatch what looks like a stuffed animal on a stick? Well, stuffed animal on a string. And because it fits in the bunny, we can be very sure Yes, it will also fit in the bear. Now, I'd bet there's a certain amount of cash that would not fit, but nobody's got that much cash, especially if they're into Lolita as a hobby. Here's another thing I take to every single meetup. Tinted lip balm. You gotta be careful putting this sort of thing in purses because if you've got any excess makeup on the outside, you will stain the inside of the bag. But this is a fresh tube in this fresh bunny. We have a fit! We have a fit! You can carry up to a medium-sized lip balm. And that means that the bear, yes, can definitely fit the lip balm. I'm not even gonna attempt my hand sanitizer. Can already tell that's not gonna work. How about a more conventional lipstick? Surprisingly a tight fit, but with some squeezing, will fit in the bunny. And of course, will also fit in the bear. What if I want to take my cash and my lip balm and a snack and my makeup remover and my contraband? Let's see how much we can stuff into one bag at a time. Alright, this will not fit. This still will not fit. This sure did not fit. The candy did, so let's start with that. Get some cash, fold her up nicely. There we go. Well, there's no way that that's going to close with both of these, so I'll take out the candy. But is there still room for a lip balm? Aha! And there it is. Nobody can tell that I've got a lip balm and some cash wadded up in this bunny. But unfortunately, she can't really hold much else. No room for an ID or a credit card or contraband. Oh no! I am not very useful, but I am very cute. Alright, Bun. Thank you. And now let's check in with our little bear friend. How much can you hold, friend? Alright, guess we'll start with the necessities from inside the bunny. There's the cash, and we've got the lip balm. Now, of the other things that I had tried to stuff inside, contraband. Woo! There's enough room for the contraband. Excellent. And now, can we stuff this in there too? Oh, nope. Too much. Goodbye. Huh. And now, nobody knows that I've got lipstick, and I've got cash, and I've got my contraband stash in here. Now I really gotta see if I can fit an ID in here with the contraband, because if somebody checks for an ID and I've got this on me, I could be in real trouble. Not that anyone's gonna mistake me for under 18, but, you know. Alright, fake ID. Is there room for you? Come on, Kearney. I think it worked. Oh, oh, oh. Oh yeah, that feeling of when it's really tight but a zipper still zips. Wow. So that's actually a much more practical bear. You can kind of hear the contraband shaking in there. I suppose if I was really, really over the top and super brand hoeing it up, I could wear them both. And then one of you could keep my cash and the other could keep my contraband. But realistically, my spouse has told me that I can't keep them both and I need to sell one of them. I don't want to choose. You're already my children. Well, thank you for bearing with me in not having a face to speak of this time around. I hope you enjoyed looking at my hands. I hope you found this informative, maybe a little funny, and again, I am not advocating the use of alcohol or anything. You need to be an adult for that, and if you are an adult, you know how to make an informed decision about those things. I am an adult, and I am making my informed decision to enjoy them responsibly, of course. Anyway, I hope this has given you some insight if you've ever wondered how much you can actually fit inside these very, very beautiful, very expensive, glorified stuffed animals by Angelic Pretty. If you're looking for something more practical, just get a normal bag. Like, these are not in any way, shape, or form actually practical. And the second you take them outside the house, they're gonna get super dirty. So, you know, I bought them because I'm impulsive and I collect stuffed animals anyway. My spouse is probably going to make me sell them, but in the meantime, I will enjoy wearing them, and if on the other side of COVID, meetups are still a thing, maybe I will take them with me to hide my contraband. Ayo. Well, that's all I got for you this week. Hope it's good enough for YouTube's algorithms. Leave me some pretty metrics to do stuff with. Comment if you've got these bags, or if you've got another bag that you recommend for other Fellow-litas. I wonder if they can hear you. Oh, can you hear my kitten? Oh, she's saying her name. Ree! All right. Bye now.